Hello everyone. So today what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at one-step equations that involve multiplication. And in my last video I just showed you how to do the one where the variable is way over here on the left. Now I'm going to show you how we handle it when the variable is right here, just on the right hand side of the equal side. This again is set up quite nicely for us. So let's take a look at this. So 10 equals x times 5. What we need to do is we need to get rid of the number, and we need to get rid of the operation so that we can have the variable x all on its own. So in order to do that, I can't just simply move the 5, I have to get rid of it. And typically, to get rid of it, we kind of do the opposite equation. And when you're dealing with operations, the opposite equation of multiplication is division. So what we need to do is we need to get rid of the 5 by dividing by 5. So I'm going to have my divided by 5, and they cancel each other out. But if I divide by 5 on one side, I have to divide by 5 on the other side. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. This basically cancels out itself out, makes itself 0. So I'm going to bring down my x. I'm going to bring down my equal sign. And what I'm left with is equal sign x equals 2, which is the same thing as 2 equals x. And so to check my work, because I want to check my work, like I have an answer, but I don't know if it's correct or not, I'm going to go like this. 10 equals x times 5. I'm going to take my answer, which is, I'm saying it's 2, right? 2 equals x. I'm going to plug it in where the x is. So 10 is going to equal 2 times 5. If I do my math, 2 times 5 is 10. So when my answer equals my answer, I know that I have solved it correctly. So that is how we handle a one-step equation with multiplication when the variable is right on this side of the equal sign, and you've got your operation and your number just to the right of the variable, and it's set up in a perfect location to kind of like a switcheroo thing. So good luck. I hope this helps.